Good morning. We're going to review some algebra concepts. So we're going to actually start with some vocabulary. So the first vocabulary we're going to start with is the coefficient. That is going to be the number in front of a variable. Okay. So before we decide what the coefficients are, let's actually go down and define variable. A variable is a letter used to represent an unknown value. So in this example up top, you might see that there are two letters, x and y. So our two variables are x and y. So now we can find our coefficients because the number in front of x is a positive 2. Okay, the other coefficient is in front of y, and that is a negative 5. Okay, we also have constant. A constant is a number without a variable. So it's just a plain number all by itself. Okay, the plain number in this problem is the negative 6. The last definition we have is a term. It is a piece of the expression, or it could be equation, separated, or it's the number of pieces of an expression or equation separated by plus, minus, or an equal sign. So if we go up here to this example, I have a minus sign, so this 2x is my first piece. Then I hit an equal sign, so that negative 5 is my second piece. After the equal sign, there is no more separating pieces, so that negative 6 is the third piece. So this equation has 3 terms. Remember, an equation has an equal sign, and an expression does not. So while it's loading, you are going to try this one on your own. All right, so let's start with variable. Variable, remember, are the letters. So we have C, we have H, and we also have a Y. Now we can identify the coefficients. The coefficients are the numbers in front. So the number in front of C is 3. The number in front of H is a positive 4. And the number in front of Y, so remember, if there's nothing written there, that's actually the secret number 1. And so it has a negative 1 in front of Y. Constants, the only constant is this positive 2 by itself. Now we're going to look for the number of terms. So I have a plus sign, so that separates. A minus sign, it separates. Another plus sign. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And this is an expression because it does not have an equal sign. We are also going to look at the distributive property. So remember, distributive property is when you have a number outside parentheses and some stuff inside. When you distribute, you're going to multiply. So we're going to do 2 times 3x, which gives you 6x. We're also going to do 2 times 4, which gives you 8. Try this one on your own. So we're going to distribute the negative 3. So we'll do negative 3 times 5, which is negative 15. We're also going to do negative 3 times, remember there's the secret 1 there, so that's negative 3 times negative 1, which gives me positive 3x. The last thing that we're going to do today is look at what like terms are and combining like terms. So like terms have the exact same variable.